You are welcome to your most Twi authoritative program, Learn Twi with Opoku. In this episode, or in this lesson, we are going to learn some of the euphemisms of Twi language. Where in English, when we say euphemism, it's just a word or an expression that is used in place of the one that seems to be offensive or suggests something what? Unpleasant or embarrassing. For instance, how would you feel? Just some few minutes that you introduce your new friend to a group of your friends, and then he or she gets up and say, I want to go to toilet. How would you feel? Very unpleasant or very embarrassing, isn't it? Yeah. But how would you feel if he or she says, I want to take a leak, or I want to visit the John, or I want to visit the ladies or the gents? That sounds nice and very pleasant, isn't it? That is a typical example of what? An euphemism. And this is what we are going to learn in Twi. In other words, we are going to learn some of the polite ways of saying certain things in Twi. We'll begin with this same statement. I want to go to toilet. Or I'm going to toilet. In Twi, if you want to be blunt and say it the way just I've said, I'm going to toilet, then you can say, Merekɔ tiefi. But this is very, very offensive and unpleasant. Merekɔ tiefi. As soon as you say that, the Ghanaians around, they will look at you and then they will say, Akwei ofrihe, meaning, where from this slave? Akwei, akwa means what? A slave. Akwei, that means this slave. Ofrihe, where is he coming from, or where from he or she? Akwei frihe or akwei ofrihe. So, what will be the best way of saying this in Twi? Or what will be the euphemism way of saying this in Twi? Well, in Twi, there are 4 ways that you can make this statement. The first is Merekɔ jamenai. Merekɔ jamenai. Merekɔ jamenai. Literally, you are saying, I'm going to leave my leg. I'm going to leave my leg. However, the natives really understands that you are taking a leak. Merekɔ jamenai. Merekɔ jamenai. Well, I think I've repeated this statement severally, that it is written Merekɔ. Merekɔ. That is how it is written. But in actual sense, we pronounce it as what? Merekɔ. Merekɔ. It's only in music that one can pronounce it as what? Merekɔ. But in normal daily conversations, we never say Merekɔ, but we say Merekɔ. 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 Good. So, Merekɔ jamenai. Secondly, you can also say Merekɔ abaa. Merekɔ abaa. In fact, if you use this phrase, or if you use this kind of euphemism in the series, most of them may not understand you. But if you use it in the local areas, like my village, Odumase, Konongo Odumase, yeah, they understand. They will perfectly understand you. Yes, Merekɔ abaa. Merekɔ abaa. Literally, you are saying, I'm going to cast a stick. And the people would understand what you mean. And it's not offensive. In fact, it's not also something unpleasant. It's okay when you say Merekɔ abaa. Merekɔ abaa. So we have Merekɔ jamenai, Merekɔ abaa. And thirdly, we have Merekɔ baabi so. Merekɔ baabi so. Merekɔ baabi so. Literally, you are saying, I'm going on somewhere, or I'm going on top of somewhere. Merekɔ baabi so. Merekɔ baabi so. That makes it okay in the ears of the people that what you are saying is not something offensive or something unpleasant. So you can say merekɔ baabi so. Merekɔ baabi so. Finally, and it's one of the best ways of saying I'm taking a leak, or I'm visiting the John, or I'm visiting the ladies, is to say merekɔyɛ me ho yie. Merekɔyɛ me ho yie. Merekɔyɛ me ho yie. Literally, you are saying I'm going to make myself well. I'm going to make myself well. Because when you feel it, you don't feel comfortable, okay? So literally you are saying, well, I'm going to make myself well. And the people will understand that, okay, you want to just excuse them and go and do something and come back, which is okay. So these are the ways of saying I'm visiting the nature's core in Twi. Merekɔgya me nan, merekɔto abaa, merekɔ baabi so, and merekɔyɛ me ho yie. Do you want to learn more? Then check out the next video. However, like I always say, I want more and more people to get to know about this channel and learn Twi the way you are also doing. So you can share and let the video go viral so that more and more people will get access to it and they also learn Twi the way you are doing. Thanks for watching.